Test, test, test. Testing, testing, testing. All right, let's get this haul started. So I spent about $40 and I went to Hobby Lobby and I went to Dollar Tree. Some of it is fall stuff, some of it is Halloween stuff, and I'll put them out at different times. So I'll start with Dollar Tree and then I'll move on to Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby did have 40% off a lot of their fall items, so I got a great deal, and everything that I got today was under $40, so I did really well. So first item that I got from the Dollar Tree are these really cute pumpkin scarecrows. They have my buffalo plaid theme. Sometimes I put these in my indoor houseplants, and sometimes I put them outside by the mailbox. It just kind of depends on how I'm feeling that day. So we'll see where these end up. I'll do a video, make sure that you see all of my holiday decor. Next up, I got all of these ribbons because I'm going to make a wreath. So I'll do the DIY on my channel as well, but I got a ton of these. The theme is going to be Hocus Pocus because that's my favorite movie in the entire world. So I got 2 orange, 2 purple, and then as you can see I got the black with the orange on it as well. And then to go along with the wreath, obviously I needed one of these. And then I also got the Sanderson sister hats, which probably isn't what they are, but that's what they're going to be today whenever I do my wreath. And then I also got, I just noticed the strings are different colors, but that doesn't matter. Anyways, I got these for the wreath. Usually one is enough, but I can put the other purple lights somewhere else. These were also $1 at Dollar Tree. And they're battery operated, so they'll go on my wreath whenever I hang it on the door, and you'll be able to see it from outside. And then I also got these to go with the wreath as well. They're wood. They're really thin wood, but they're wood. So those will go on there as well. And then, like I said, my favorite movie is Hocus Pocus, and they had these super cute Hocus Pocus glasses that I am so excited to drink out of that I probably won't wait until Halloween to wash these and have wine in them, because wine's my favorite thing ever also. It says Hocus Pocus, I need wine to focus. So I will get those in the wash. They also had this adorable hanging farm fresh pumpkin sign. I'm probably going to take the string off of it and prop it on my shelf above my buffet. I'll show you that as well in another video. And then they had these adorable little signs that are glittery. I'm so in love with these. I love that Dollar Tree gets new stuff every year, but they also have some of the same old stuff because it helps me to change out my decor, but I can also keep the things that I love and then donate the things that I don't love and not feel guilty about donating those because they were only $1. So 2 more things from the Dollar Tree. I got these. These are the hay bales. So the funny thing is I went to 2 separate Dollar Trees. So I went to the one closest to me first, and then I went to Hobby Lobby, and then I went to Dollar Tree again, which was farther from me, but usually is the better Dollar Tree. They had these exact hay bales for, they were either $3.99 or $4.99 at Hobby Lobby. And I was like, oh, I think I'll wait. I don't really need them right now. I don't know if I want to use them for fall decor, Halloween decor, if I want to use them more for my Thanksgiving, because I'll add and take away things throughout the fall. So I don't always have the same stuff to look at for months. I get bored easy. But these were only $1 at the Dollar Tree, and I'm pretty excited about them. I know that they've had them in the previous years, but I never thought to use them or really cared to use them, but this year they really sparked my interest, so I'm super excited to use these. And then now for Hobby Lobby, I got some super cute stuff, but like I said, it was a $40 budget. I was trying to behave myself because if I don't set a budget, I will overspend, and then I'll have too many decorations and nowhere to put them. So the first item I got, and I could have totally made this myself, but it was 40% off of $9.99, so I think I paid like, what, $6 for it, and it's the Signature Collection garland. It's 6 foot long, which is plenty long for me. As you can see, it was $9.99, but 40% off. It's the burlap buffalo plaid, and I don't know, I just love it. And like I said, I could have made this, but for $6, I didn't want to take the time to make it when I can just buy it and be happy and be done. So Love this. Can't wait to decorate with that. And then one of the next things I got was, it's this light up house. This is in the fall section, but a lot like these Christmas Target houses back here, I keep them up year round because they match my theme and you can't tell that they're, you know, a particular season. And they light up. So cute. These were $3.99, but also they were 40% off. Not only did I get the house, but I also got the super cute truck. $3.99 also, and then 40% off of that. He lights up too, but he's been flickering a little bit. So I need to look in there and see if maybe the light bulb is needing adjusted a little bit, but so cute. I love leaving stuff like this on at night when I go to, you know, get a drink in the middle of the night or go to the bathroom. It just kind of is cozy, makes it a little bit peaceful. So there's those. Oh, this is another Dollar Tree item. I forgot about this one. So this is the scarecrows that are weighted. So cute. But the funny thing about these is these were $1 and Hobby Lobby also has these and they're $3.99 also, and I couldn't tell a difference. So of course I'm gonna spend $1 instead of $2 getting one of these. I think they're so cute. And these I keep up for Halloween, and I also keep them up for fall and for Thanksgiving. So they help fill the tops of my cabinets if I need decor up there, or, you know, shelves, or maybe a little bathroom decor item for my kids' bathroom, guest bathroom. They're just good little fillers. Just like the little pumpkins from Dollar Tree, I use those to fill them as well. And then I got this. It says blessed. It has my buffalo plaid on the side, of course. Just a little hollow sign. This was $5.99, also 40% off, so I gave a few bucks for it. This will also go on my buffet, along with this cute little basket. They had these in different sizes, so if you didn't want the small one, you could get the bigger ones, but I usually put little stuff like this on my shelves. This was $3.99, again, 40% off. And then last but not least is this Hello Fall hanging sign. This was also $3.99, 40% off. And I am actually going to cut the string off of it and just set it up. I have a 3-tier stand, and I'm gonna set it up in that, I think. And again, I'll show you guys how I decorated that. So that's all I got today. I will get more as time goes on. My Dollar Trees didn't have a whole lot of items out yet. So as they progressively put more items out, I'll go back and get more. And then when it gets closer to actually fall starting, I'll go and get some candles also. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.